Hello everybody, welcome to this first tutorial for installing Smartview software for high protection devices. First we go to the SEG Electronics website where we can download the Smartview software and the data model. So please click on Product Selector, Feeder, Protection and High Protect. Now we are in the area for the high protection devices. We choose, for example, the MCA4. And on the MCA4 web page we can choose the download link for the download area. Now we are in the download area for this kind of relay. We choose Smartview software latest release and we will download the latest release. Click on Save As, Save, and it will download it. The next what we need is the data model. With the data model we can create pre-configuration for the devices. We enter again the download area from SEG Electronics. We choose the HyperTech MCA4 and choose Setup. In the Setup area we can download the data model. We are using the data model for version 3.7b of the MCA4. Download it and it will be safe. Now we start installation for Smartview software. Execute the exe file. Choose your language, for example English in this case, and click on OK. Please go forward, click all next until finished, and you have done the installation. May you want to choose a separate download, a separate installation path, you can do it in the first of the installer. So the installation is done now. Next you will install the driver software for the communication with the device. Click on Next, click on OK and Finished, and the driver are installed. So now you can start Smartview software. Let me resize the window that you can see all from the software. You can click on New File, also the symbol for New File. You can see if you are in the HyperTech area, there's no data model inside, so you can't create a pre-configuration for any device. First you have to download the data model from the SEG Electronics website or download it directly from the relay. So now let's install the data model. Decompress the zip file. I use 7-zip for this, for example. Click on Decompress here. Now you have the data model execution file. Execute it. Choose your language for the installer and click on OK. Click All Next. Here you can choose your data model and the manuals, if you need the manuals. If not, unmark it, so the manuals will not install. This takes a few seconds to install the data model, and after installing you can find it in the Smartview software and you can start pre-configuration. Now you can start again the Smartview software. Let me resize it. And click on New File to create a new configuration. And now you can see inside the HyperTech area there's a data model inside for the MCA4. Thank you for watching. I hope this was educational. If you have any question, write me a mail or check our website. Thank you for watching.